Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Wednesday, May 28th. Coming up on the economic calendar today at 7:55, we have unemployment data from Germany, which could generate some volatility in the euro, but we're expecting more out of 9 o'clock GMT when we have consumer confidence and business climate data coming out from the Eurozone. And then it's a pretty relaxed day until the evening at 11:50 in the evening when we have retail trade data from Japan, which could generate some volatility in the yen. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 broke to a new record high yesterday. This was after better than expected durable goods orders data coming out, as well as consumer confidence. We also had continuing optimism during early trading today in the Asian session, with Asian stocks moving higher, following better than expected industrial profit data from China, as well as continuing speculation that the Chinese government is going to intervene to support the economy. But going to the session today, S&P 500 futures are trading pretty much neutral. It's also important to point out that typically, at least over the last several months, whenever the S&P 500 pushes to a new record high after 2 or at the most 3 days, we have a correction on the downside, so we should be looking out for that in the short term. The euro, as expected, came off of resistance yesterday at 136.10 and has since been moving on the downside. RSI still showing that this currency pair is oversold at the moment, but we still have considerable downward pressure. We're looking at support at 135.80 and resistance at 136.60. 136.60 resistance, yeah. The pound, if it were to show up, there's the pound. The pound has been moving on the downside for the last couple of days, and it's heading towards the bottom of this long-term channel that it's been maintaining since last year. We have support at the trend line here at 167.30 in the short term, and we're looking at resistance at 168.85 at the moment. The yen is still keeping within its range. There wasn't all that much change in the dollar-yen pair yesterday, which is going to be interesting when we talk about gold in a second. It's still keeping within its range of support at 101.25 and resistance at 102.25. And here we have gold, which had a significant drop yesterday. This was the first day of trading for gold after the elections in Ukraine, so this drop is attributed to the improving situation with the withdrawal of Russian troops from the Ukrainian border and the election of a new president in the Ukraine, because it coincided with a drop in the value of wheat, which is also associated with the situation in Ukraine. So it's just above support here at 1,216. That's correct. And RSI showing that gold at the moment is oversold, so we might be looking at a short-term rebound heading towards 1,280, which is our current level of resistance. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.